Hello everyone! So I was literally editing a different video when this showed up. So I'll edit that after this and get it uploaded. But I have been literally stalking the mailman with this kit because it's adorable. So as always, this is the Simon Says Stamp August 2019 card kit, and it's been released now for over like a week or whatever. For whatever reason, it decided to get delayed getting to me, and of course I've been just itching to show it off because it looks adorable. So this is the Party Like a Panda card kit. Sucker. Envelopes, pattern paper, so many cute things. Okay, so in this kit you get the Party Like a Panda stamp set, 6x8 set, so the big one. It's absolutely adorable. All these cute little pandas. The one where he's laying down, that's so cute. Bunch of sentiments. I love the balloon, like everything. I love everything. So yeah, happy birthday, party time. Oh my gosh, did I seriously forget your birthday? And then he's crying. It's so cute. It's so cute. Love it. Love it. Love it. Super adorable. So there's that one. And then you also get the Picture Book Panda wafer die, which is super cute, which works super. I'm actually kind of excited about this. I had seen these a while ago in the different colors, and I was like, So these are Deco foil flock transfer sheets. These are not foil, these are flocked, so they're fuzzy, and that excites me because Fun Flock used to be a big deal back in the day, and it was a bit of a pain to work with, and now it's really hard to find. And then Deco foil came out with these transfer sheets, and yet they're fuzzy, which of course is perfect with the Picture Book Panda. Perfect with all kinds of the picture book critters. You can die cut with the flock transfer sheets. So you get 4 sheets in the package. Oh funny, these two were like face to face. So you get 4 sheets of each. So there's 4 sheets of white and then 4 sheets of black. And the thing with this, okay, yeah, you can use these with, like, in a similar way you use foil. You can use the transfer gel, or you can use like adhesive sheets, and the kit does come with an adhesive sheet as well. So I don't think you technically need, like, you don't need heat, because I know Laura Basson already did a video and she just used the adhesive sheets, adhered it to cardstock, adhered this, and die cut it, no problem. So interesting. I'm kind of excited. Face down. Yeah, we're going. Yeah, you don't need heat, so you can just use the double-sided adhesive. If you use this transfer gel, then yes, you would need your laminator. So I'm kind of excited to try this. I think it's gonna be fun. So yeah, you get 4 white, 4 black. You get the adhesive sheet, which is really nice, thin, super thin adhesive, which works also like with any die cuts, whether you use it with this with the flock or cardstock, foil, glitter paper, whatever. Works awesome. So you got that. And then you also get these are custom Doodlebug papers for this kit, and of course anything Doodlebug. Like, no wonder I've been like anxiously awaiting this kit because it's adorable. So yeah, you get all these fun rainbow Doodlebug papers and all double-sided, which makes me even more happy because rainbow, all the things. Love it. Just cute and bright and happy and fun. So you get those. You get a couple of Simon Says envelope, the doll pink envelope. I love Simon's envelopes. They're just nice and good quality. And then this is the white envelope. So you get those. And then, of course, Simon cardstock. You get a black, white, because of course you can die cut the panda just from cardstock. You don't have to use the flocking. And then Peacock and Dull Pink. So, oh, and that rolled off. I almost forgot. You get a Spectrum Noir clear overlay sparkle pen, which I have an already opened one. Yeah, I've had these for years. Comes like this. Just like almost all pens like this, you need to take this piece off and then screw it back on to get the liquid like through the brush. I'm not going to do that because I already have one, so that'll be like a backup. But yeah, clear sparkle. It's fabulous. I haven't used this one in a while. There we go. Turn on my phone flashlight so that you guys can actually see this sparkle. Just wait, let me zoom in. There we go. Isn't that pretty? Love. So you get one of those as well. So, zoom back out there. Alrighty, so that is the August 2019 Party Like a Panda card kit from Simon. As always, I will link to the kit. I will link to the subscription because you can buy just the kit or you can subscribe. I will also link to the frequently asked questions on the Simon site because they have that, because there have been some confusion lately on my videos and people asking me different questions. So I'll link to that like I always do, and also link to everything separately. I think, but I don't have my computer in front of me. I think there's actually also a coordinating die set already available for this stamp set. I'll link to that as well because that's a separate thing, because these are like die sets for these coordinating die sets for these large stamp sets are, yeah, they're a little hefty but always so worth it. So now I'm gonna have to order a coordinating die set because I want it. So I will link to everything that I can. You guys can check it out. That'll all be in the description box below. It'll also be on my blog and picture links and all that stuff. And I will have cards coming soon. Also stay tuned because Simon is having their big July release later this week. I'll have videos for that. I'll have videos for this, cards, all that fun stuff. Things are coming. I have another card video to share with you guys that I'm editing right after this. Fun stuff. So just stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, for subscribing, for thumbs upping, for commenting. I always appreciate it. And I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye!